Hey guys, me Ashley, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to hit that big red subscribe button right down below so you can be notified every single time that I post a video, and stay tuned for lots of new content. So for this week's video, I have another Birchbox unboxing, and this is the Birchbox for September 2018, and Birchbox lately has been pleasantly surprising me, but also the products have been a hit or miss that comes with the box, but yeah, so let's open it up and let's see what's inside. So this box is, I love the design and the color of this box, like blue. This baby blue that's right here on the side of it is like one of my favorite colors, as well as pink, obviously. So yeah, this is the design of the box. This is like probably like my favorite design of the box that we've gotten so far. But yeah, when you open it up inside, it looks like this. It gives you this piece of paper, just in case you need a reminder, this piece of cardstock. And on the back it has all the products and all the prices of the products, which I will be sure to list right down here. All the products and the prices for the full-size products, at least on Birchbox's website. Not sure if that'll be the same thing on other websites, such as Ulta or Sephora or Amazon, for example. But if I give you the name of the product, you guys can be sure to look it up. So yeah, so they also give you this coupon for $10 off your next order when you shop $50 or more on their website. So yeah, so this is my coupon code. And yeah, these are all the products that's inside. So the first product that I'm going to pull out is this this Beach Flavor Co. Great Barrier Hairspray. And it's a heat protected hairspray. It says that the hold level is 1, so it doesn't like hold very long. But yeah, so this hairspray, I have wanted hairspray for a very long time because my hair is really thick, and I just cut it, so like, you know. But like, my hair is really thick, and so it usually doesn't, like, when I do hairstyles in it, it doesn't hold for very long. Like, my ponytails slide out, so yeah, and my braids don't hold for very long. So that kind of sucks, but you know, and I wanted hairspray, you know, just to make my braids hold in for like longer period of time for like parties and stuff. Next product I am pulling out is this Love of Color Glisten Luminous Lip Shine, and I got a Love of Color liquid eyeshadow in one of my other Birchboxes. I don't remember which one that was, but yeah, I got a Love of Color liquid eyeshadow in this Birchbox, and yeah, so we are just going to swatch this tiny little thing of stuff onto my hand, and I'm pretty sure this is lipstick, and I thought the liquid eyeshadow that I got in the last one was like was lipstick, but it's not, it's liquid eyeshadow. So that was interesting. Like, I never even knew liquid eyeshadow existed. but yeah, so this is what it looks like on my arm. I don't know if you can even see that, but yeah, right there, this is what it looks like. It's really kind of just a sparkle, little shiny thing, little sparkle like layer that just goes on your lips and such. So yeah. The next product I am pulling out is this Wish Vanilla Lip Scrub. So this is a lip scrub, and you just kind of put it on your lips and it exfoliates and stuff. And it smells like vanilla, vanilla's a pleasant smell, especially for the holidays. But yeah, so this is what the bottle looks like. Yeah. And yeah, simple lip scrub, explanatory. The second to last product I am pulling out of this box is this Marcel CC cream. And I'm not that knowledgeable in makeup, clearly, because I only wear eyeshadow and mascara and like eye stuff, but so I'm not really sure what a CC cream is. But anyways, when you open up this little thing, this is what it has inside. It has the tiny little like CC cream thing, and I think CC cream is like, it says that it's complete correction sunscreen broad spectrum. It reduces the appearance of dark spots. So, you know, yeah, there's a little bit of like, you can see there's a little bit of like tape on this thing still from the thing. But yeah, so I'm not really sure what a CC cream is, to be honest, but I'm gonna Google it and then I'm gonna try it out and let you know. And the last product that I'm pulling out in this box is this Benefit Roller Lash Mascara. And if you know anything about subscription services such as Ipsy and Birchbox, they actually do not do like products from big cosmetic companies such as Benefit and Too Faced and Tarte, for example, unless they're in partnership with them. So I feel like I got this mascara because Benefit is partnering with Birchbox, and yeah. So if you know me, I love mascara. It's like my favorite makeup product, literally ever. I don't really know why I like mascara so much. But I think it's just because it brings down my eyelashes, and as you can see, like you can't, so I have hooded eyelids, so like you can't tell that I'm wearing eyeshadow, and my eyelashes are very small. I guess that's what it's like being Asian, but yeah. So yeah, this is the brush for this mascara, and yeah, I'm really excited to try this out. I have like 4 mascaras now. I use all of them. Sometimes I use one on top of the other, like, you know, it's a whole like debacle. So I hope you guys enjoyed that video. Please don't forget to click that like button if you enjoyed it, and please don't forget to hit that big red subscribe button down below so you'll be notified every single time that I post a video. And yeah, I hope you guys had have a great Christmas, have a great holiday, have a great start to your school year if you're starting in January like I am. And yeah, Merry Christmas. Bye.